that black, yo. Queen.
Okay, y'all, so before I get started on this video, I want to do another quick review on some shea butter. The company is called Shea Essentials, and I was sent honey, African shea butter, moisturizer. She got 6 facts on here. So I'm gonna go in with the number 1, the treatments for dry skin, diaper rash, eczema, minor burns, pain. Okay, and it's also a pain reliever from swelling and arthritis, which is a plus to those of you that are struggling with those issues. Improves muscle relaxation and stiffness. Also treats dark spots. Skin discoloration, stretch marks, wrinkles, blemishes, all that good stuff, ladies, because who don't got them? Like, I definitely need, like, to clear up some dark spots. Yeah, I actually been using the cuticle oil. As you can see, my cuticles are, my hand looks so black. They is good, you know. So yeah, so throughout this video, if you see my body all glistening, this is what I will be using. So make sure y'all shop. I will list her information down below. But yeah, let's get into this waist bead video. So I did want to show y'all a little sample of it, and this is how it looks on skin, and it's really nice and soft. But let's get into the video. So this is the stretch cord that you will be needing. I picked it up at Walmart. The second one that I show in the video is the one not to buy, because I couldn't tie like a knot in it. Okay, so but these are the beads. I got all of this stuff from Walmart. Some of the little baggies, they were like 98 cents. I got the cute little charms for Polo, of course. Yeah, this video did take me a couple days to make because I have been so busy with work. They have been mandating us for 10 hours still. Like, I think I did a whole month worth of 10 hours. But, of course, y'all know me being goofy and my little stinky butt. Oh my god, y'all, if y'all not following me on social media, me and Polo have a funny yoga video up that y'all need to see. So make sure y'all follow me on my social media listed down below. So pretty much this is a straightforward, simple video. I'm just placing the beads onto the string. And this one I did do a pattern on here. And you can do them however you like. I actually want to make me some with some colors now, and they are really fun, y'all. Look at those are so cute, right? But the meaning behind them, you put them, you wear them, like as you can see, your girl got a pudge. So I am currently doing yoga at night and sit-ups in the morning, little exercise in the morning before work and whatnot. So I am trying to, the key is to make the waist beads fit at the top of your stomach while you got a little push, and then as you work out, your waist beads will drop. This is the African thing. They do wear them like all the time. The babies wear them. They never really take theirs off, and I just love the idea of it. So it can help with weight loss, and it also has more meanness to it. I did tie it a lot, y'all, because of course I just didn't want my stuff to come apart. So that's that. Do a little belly dancing for y'all. And this is the second one that I created, and as you can see, I did not create a pattern or anything. They was just going on there as is. I tried to do like a little, but as you can see, look, as I suck my stomach in, as I begin to lose weight, the waist beads would drop. So I just love that idea. But yeah, this video was pretty much straightforward. Um, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. Hope you guys make you some waist beads. But yeah, this was so funny. Wait for it.
Hey, what the fuck? What was you doing? What was you doing? What the fuck?
Oh my god!
What was you doing?
Oh my god, bro! I was belly dancing.
Oh, wow.
You know my music in my ear. Oh my god. Wow. Y'all, that was just hilarious. OMG. Yeah, I'm in here going crazy to Ari Lennox. Bay walked in like, what the fuck? I got my AirPods in. Whew. But yes.
Let me see that one. That looked weird. That was looking weird as hell when I walked up.
I know, I bet it was.
I was like, what?
Like, damn, Bay and that going crazy. She going cool. But yes, y'all, those are the waist beads. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was easy. And I love you guys oh so much. And I'm out. Mwah. Peace.